Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so today I'm just gonna do a quick tutorial on how to activate the follow me home lamps, right? Because previously there are people commenting on my videos asking how to use or how to activate the follow me home lamps. Alright, so basically this is gonna be a really short video, kind of like a tutorial video on how to use the follow me home lamp. Alright, so for those who don't know, the Proton Persona MC2 has a feature called follow me home lamp. So this is actually a really useful feature, especially when you are parking your car in a really dark place, right? So what it does is when you switch off your engine, the follow me home feature will light up the headlamps for extra 30 seconds or 1 minute, right? So this is a useful feature because, for example, when you are parking in a really dark place and your car is already switched off, right? You still get the headlamps illuminated, right? So it's still shining, so you can see where you go in the dark, right? It's really useful, and it's also a safety feature as well, especially if you are a lady, parking in a dark spot. So having some light is very useful, right? So the follow me home lamp will lit up your way so that you can see what's in front of you and you can walk safely to your destination, right? So it's a really useful feature. Alright guys, so to activate the follow me home feature is really simple. So as soon as you park your car, right, when you are in the parking spot and you are ready to leave the car, of course the first thing you need to do is to switch off the car engine, right? And as soon as you switch off the car engine, you will need to adjust the light controls here, the lighting controls. Okay, so currently my lighting control is set at off. Okay, so my headlamps are currently off. So if your headlamps are off, what you need to do is you just need to adjust the lever downwards to auto mode, right? And then you have to switch it back to off, right? So remember the steps. If your headlamps are in off mode, you just need to switch it down once and switch it back to off. That's all. And then you will see that there's in the display, it will say that the follow me home feature will be activated. Okay, but if your headlamps are currently on like this, right? If your headlamps are on, so as soon as you switch off your engine, what you need to do is you need to pull your lever downwards until the auto mode and then pull it back to off. Okay, remember the steps. So if your headlamps are on, what you need to do is you need to pull it down to auto mode and then off. Okay, but if your headlamps are off, all you need to do is just pull it down once to auto and then pull it back to off. Alright, so it's as simple as that. Okay, so let's try it. So currently you can see my headlamps are off. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but it's raining right now. Okay, let me clear the windshield. Okay, so as you can see, my headlamps are off right now. Okay, right, so I'm just gonna switch off the car engine right now. Alright, alright, so what I need to do is I need to pull down the lever and pull it up again. Alright, and you can see there, follow me home lamp activated. Okay, and you can see my car engine is off, but the headlamps are still lighting up. So let's get out of the car. So yeah guys, as you can see, the follow me home lamp has been activated. So I guess the headlamps will illuminate for about 1 minute. So this is actually a really useful feature. As you can see, it provides, you know, extra lighting. So yeah guys, that's about it. That was a short tutorial on how to activate the follow me home lamp. Right, so this is a useful feature, so make sure you use it. Okay, but I guess this feature is quite common with modern cars nowadays. But the good thing is you have it on the Proton Persona MC2, right? So make sure you utilize this useful feature, especially when you are parking in a really dark spot, right? And if you need some extra lighting, the follow me home feature is actually really good. Okay guys, so if you like the contents that I've been making, so make sure to give it a like. And if you want to follow me for updates in the future, right, you're welcome to subscribe to my channel, because I think I will continue to make some useful videos on the Proton Persona MC2, right? So alright guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the future. Okay, bye bye.